Good morning and happy Monday. I hope you all are having a good start to the week. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use IXL. I'm going to be giving you all some assignments through IXL, so I wanted you to understand what I was asking of you. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into clever.com with your Google account, and you'll have some apps pop up here. I know you won't have as many apps as I do, but you will look for the IXL tab and you're going to click on that. And your screen will look similar to this. So first thing you're going to do in order to do the lessons that I need you to do this week is you're going to go to Learning, the Learning tab right here, and you're going to click on that. And here you'll see all the skills for all the grades. So if you wanted to master every single skill for your grade, that is awesome. But for this week, what you're going to do is from the Learning tab, you're going to click on OK Standards. And it will bring you to this screen. On this screen, you can see that it's broken down by grade, and it's also broken down by subject. For pre-K, the only subjects that you'll see or be able to access are math and language arts. I would like you to kind of look through the standards that you will be covering for your grade. And this week, I'm actually going to have you work from last year's standards. So if you are in 4th grade, this week I'm going to have you work from some 3rd grade standards to make sure that we're catching up from our summer break. So say I was in 3rd grade and I needed to do some second grade standards. I'd go to 2nd grade, and if I assigned you language arts 2.5.R.1, then you would come to this section and you would do everything from that section. Okay? Now, I'm not going to have you do the entire section. I might say, hey, go pick a couple of lessons from 2.5.R.1 in language, and you can do a couple. Okay, if I wanted you to do math, I would assign it by standard, so 2.N.1. If I wanted you to do everything for 2.N.1, you would do everything that falls under that standard. Again, I'm not going to have you do everything. I might say go do 3 lessons from math, 2nd grade, 2.N.1.1, and you can come here and choose a couple of lessons. So once you get to the lesson, if I need to do spell word names for numbers up to 20, I'm going to click on that lesson, and I'm not really sure how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, I can do learn with an example, where it will give me some practice. And also, sometimes you might see at the bottom of this screen, not feeling ready yet, this can help. Okay, and you can click on some examples here. I'm ready to write my words. I feel like I know how to write my words out, so I'm going to take the quiz. So I'm going to answer. Brilliant! I did great. So you'll see my score over here. I have a 12 out of 100. So I'm going to do another one. Oh my goodness, I'm still doing great. So I have a 23 out of 100. The goal is to get this up to 80%. I don't have to get all the way up to 100, but you are more than welcome to. But if I can get this up to 80, then you are done with that lesson. Okay? Now, what if I got one wrong? It's going to tell me that it's incorrect. My score is going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to have some remediation to help me to get through the rest of the lesson. You guys have any questions about how to use IXL or uh, what is expected of you, then please reach out. I'll be happy to help.